All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the jump feature when viewing your photos on the Canon 5D Mark II. All right, so anyway, when you do it, you're going to be using this. You're going to either go forward or backwards with this. And when you move it, it's going to make your jump, whether it's going to be 110 or 100 shots or movies or whatever, or folders. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the menu here, and we've got to pull over with this to the third page. Then we're going to navigate down to the image jump feature. Notice that weird looking wheel thing. That's that right there. So we're just going to come down there and we're going to go ahead and click on that. Bam. And I've got it set to 10 images right now. So if we want to look at this, what we can do is just go ahead and click on it. We're going to be 10 images. It tells me right there. Then I'm going to go into my viewfinder. And as I go through it, you're going to see this number change by 10. Watch. And it may jump from one folder to another folder because I only have like 20 shots in each folder and 2 movies in this. So just watch it go. So it just went to 53. Now I don't know if it's probably going to pop into the other folder. So bam, it goes into the other folder. It gives me a different number. And then it pops down to 38. And if I go the other way, I'm pulling it this way, and it's going 10 each time. Now, I can still go 1 at a time by doing this. You see that? And if I wanted to go 10 from here, watch. It just does it. Let's see, I think I can go the other way. Yeah. So anyway, that's how that works. And now if we wanted to look at some, let's say, movies, I could do that too, right? I'm on movies. I can get out of the menu now. And then I can come back down here and look at this. And then I have to click this over once, and then it goes to the movies. I only have 2 on here. So there, if you look, you see that's a movie right there. And if I click it over, it gives me the other movie. And you can see the big change in the number because they're in two different folders. I got one in the 101 folder and one in the 102 folder. All right, so let's go back to the menu and let's go in here. Let's go to folders. All right, now we're going to switch to folders, right? So let's go ahead and look here. And so now it's just going to go from 100 to 101. First, I got to click it once, and then the second time there's that folder, there's 100 folder, and there's that folder. And each folder's got 10 pictures in it. So anyway, you can do it a number of different ways. What I am going to do is I like to keep it at 10 images, all right? And then if I want, I can use this to go 1 image at a time, or I could use this to go 10 images at a time. And that's basically how the thing works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your Canon 5D. Peace out.